After our shows, people have a lot of questions. I will definitely say that.
This is an orchestra quite unlike any other.
I think shorthand, we say it's Stomp meets The Office.
And the proverbial office of Our Working Hours provides inspiration for the dulcet tones of the Boston Typewriter Orchestra.
Now everybody has to laugh at the staff meeting. At the staff meeting.
The music is likely to be a mix of something you have probably never heard before and some inspired classics.
1, 2, 3.
This crew began typing to entertain after inspiration struck more than 20 years ago.
You ever been sitting around your place listening to Wham's Last Christmas and you think, you know, this is pretty good, but it'd sound even better on not just one typewriter, but 8 of them?
Their traveling shows are a mixture of both delicate and robust percussion.
It's a lot of sort of getting into the right energy and the right headspace.
But audiences are also treated to vocals, multimedia visuals, and a hearty measure of humor.
So far I've been carpal tunnel free.
Most members of the 7-piece crew have played in bands before, but never in one with so fickle an instrument.
And we just try to squeeze out of it as much creative juice as we can possibly get out of it.
That's the struggle, but also, they say, the magic of this process, inviting audiences to question, what is an instrument?
The world is your oyster when you play a typewriter.
It's fun to see people sort of light up when they realize oh, I wrote my thesis on this, or I had this typewriter when I was in college.
It's the stroke of inspiration shifting perceptions across generations.
But I don't think a single one of us has been in an act like this where the feedback is just so generally overwhelmingly positive and kind, so.
And from the orchestral margins, a reminder of the importance of harmony.
I love the people I play with. It's so collaborative, and it's really neat to see everybody's ideas and how supportive everyone is about taking crazy ideas and turning them into reality.